Dear students, good morning, namaste. Successfully we completed 7 parts. In the last seventh part of vectors, vector algebra, we discussed about the components of vector, drs and dcs also. What are drs? Once again you learn it. We repeat that concept. Drs is nothing but scalar components. They are simply the multiples of x, y, I cap, j cap, k cap. Multiples that come out coefficients. 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap are there. 2, 3, 4 are the scalar components, simply components. That components again it is called as drs. You mind it. Number of times I am repeating that same concept. Why? Because it is very important. Those concepts are not related with the vector concept. It is related with the three-dimensional. That is the problem. And in the last video, I talked about the three-dimensional. Drs, okay. Direction cosines. Direction cosines are somewhat different from the drs. Don't confuse. Drs, dcs are separate. Dcs means cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are direction cosines of a vector, where alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by the axis, made by the vector with the axis, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. And how can we calculate that cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma also? I taught you very clearly. Okay, now we will come to a free vector. In the previous one, we take only one point P point. And OP bar is OP bar or OQ bar or OR bar or OA bar or OB bar are position vectors of a point only. Now, that is a position vector of point. But now we are discussing in this 8th part is a free vector. Horizon, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, okay. There are 2 points, P and Q, just like P and Q. OP bar, position vector of course. OQ bar, position vector. Then what about PQ bar? PQ bar is a free vector. Free vector means it is nowhere connected with the horizon. It is a free vector. It is free from the horizon. The initial point, terminal point, both are not horizon. It is free from horizon, independent of horizon. That is why it is called as a free vector. Yes, okay, that concept is a different one. For any free vector PQ bar, can you find that drs and dcs? Certain. You see, let PQ bar is a free vector. Is a free vector where P, x1 comma, y1 comma, z1. A point Q, it is a Q point. It is a Q point. Q point is x2, y2, z2. There are 2 points in the space. Then PQ bar is, we know it, any free vector can be expressed as the difference of position vector of terminal point and initial point. Same, I wrote the same thing. PQ bar means OQ, terminal point, position vector, minus initial point, position vector. PQ bar, OQ bar minus OQ bar. What is OQ bar? We know the coordinates. Coordinates are nothing but the components. Components are nothing but the drs. So x2i plus y2j plus z2k minus OP bar. OP bar is position vector of the point P, x1, y1, z1. So it is x1 I cap, y1 j cap, z1 cap. Okay now x2 minus x1 I is same, common. y2 minus y1 j, z2 minus z1 k. Okay x1, x2 minus x1 in one bracket, y2 minus 1, z2 minus z1. Okay that is where x1, y1, z1 are the coordinates of the first point. x2, y2, z2 are the coordinates of second point. Now, as usual, what are the drs? What are the components? What are the Scalar components x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z. These are the numbers, coefficients, multiples of I, j, k. So those are DRs. And what are the DCs? DCs means direction cosine. It is somewhat different. The same number repeated, x2 minus x1, but by root of, there also in the last video I taught you, sigma x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square with sigma means this one. I have this, here it is not possible to write all these expressions. That is why shortly I will, with some notation I am writing here. The place problem is there for me. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square is nothing but sigma. Simply I write sigma, sigma, sigma. Okay now. The previous problem also. Okay, I will take one example. Suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to, it is 5, 6, 7. Then, what is AB bar? We know that AB bar minus YA bar. Not needed to write every time the 5y minus 6j plus 7k minus I minus 2j minus 6. Not needed. Simply write y 5 minus 1 I cap, 6 minus 2 j cap. Okay na? 7 minus 3 k cap. Now it is 4i cap plus 4j cap plus 4k cap. The masters always not writing this cap. Simply we may write ij, I just bar, j just bar, just k bar, like that also. It is understood that I cap, I, j, k, whenever you see in the vectors, that is unit vectors only. So it is I cap plus 4j cap plus 4k cap, 4i k cap. It is AB bar. We are given only the points in the geometry, in the space. Now we find the free vector AB bar. Now, what are the DRs? DRs are 4, 4, 4. What are the DCs? 4 by root of 4 square plus 4 square plus 4 square. Okay, Nana? Again 4 by the same thing. 4 square plus 4 square plus 4 square. Again 4 by 4 square plus 4 square plus 4 square. That means 4 by 3 4 squares are there. 4 square means with root is 4 root 3. It is 4 by 4 root 3. 4 by 4 root 3. Okay, na? That is nothing but you cancel it. We get plus or minus 1 by root 3. Plus or minus 1 by root 3. Plus or minus 1 by root 3. These are the direction cosine. It is somewhat different. The same DRs, the same components, but we are dividing with the square root of its length. Its length, we are dividing with the length. But here we will get a plus or minus. Okay, na? That is what is the difference? I will later we will discuss this in the geometry. But here it is very simple. DRs, the components. This is, we are dividing the components with their square root of sum of square roots of components. Okay, na? Like that we will get this is DRs and the length also of any free vector. Okay, na? Now components of vector, a free vector, how can you find the components? How can you find the DRs, the DCs? Next onwards, simply we say it is DRs, the DCs only. Okay, na? This concept is very, very important. Okay, na? Yeah. Yeah. Two properties are there. That is section rule. Its name is section rule. That theorem name, property name. It is also case 1 and case 2. if a point C, it divides the line joining the points A and B in the ratio m is to n. In the ratio m is to n. Internally, here is internally. This is important. Internally, with the position vectors A bar is equal to A bar, OB bar is equal to B bar. Then the position vector of the point C is OC bar is equal to MB bar plus NA bar by M plus N. Okay, then you see, here is the solution. Proof. This is the statement. Suppose it is horizon O. There is 2 points A and B. It is A bar, OB bar, it is B bar. First, we are given in the space. It is a 2-dimensional. You see, as usual. That is the horizon x-axis, y-axis, z-axis is there. Okay. There are 2 points like this. A, B, like this. A and B. Right is A, left is B. Y bar is position vector of point A. OB bar is the position vector of point B. AB is a line joining the 2 points A and B. AB is a line segment. In the middle, internally, there is a point C. That point only given. Then what is OC bar? OC bar is a position vector of the point C. In terms of A and B, A bar and B bar. A bar is position vector small a bar is given. OB bar is the position vector of point B. It is given as a small B bar. Then what is OC bar? OC bar means not C bar simply. Not that one. In terms of A bar and B bar, in the ratio M and N. Now, we will prove. Here is horizon. You feel that, sir, horizon is here, but you are writing there, and that means in order to understand in the 2-dimensional, of course it is a 3-dimensional. The horizon, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, okay. But easy to understand. Let me assume O is there. A bar, OB bar, a line segment, AB is line segment. This is divided by a new point C. C is a new point that divides AB in the ratio M is to N. What is M is to N? M is to N. That means AC distance M units you assume. BC distance is N units you assume. Now, what is OC bar? We are asked to find OC bar. Now see, fantastic concept. Here, AC by BC is M by N. This is given. We are given because the C divides the line segment AB in the ratio M is to N internal. M is to N. Here are clearly I will write by given. What is given? AC is to BC is equal to M is to N. That is nothing but this one. Okay, now that is nothing but this one. So AC by BC is equal to M by N. Now I will write here. AC by BC is equal to M by N. Once again I am writing here. It is nothing but NAC. Okay, now NAC is equal to MBC. Okay, now N cross multiplication. And this N is a multiple, M is a multiple scalars. I am taking AC bar and M BC bar. Just I want to take you take AC by is also CB. We assume it is CB. Okay, Naina? CP. Don't confuse. In order, some order, like this. It is a CP version. Okay, na? No confusion. Now it is, you see, it is N. I am taking actually AC, BC are the lengths only. Length. Geometrically it is a length. I am giving the direction. Then it will become as, that length will become as a vector. AC bar is nothing but OC bar minus OA bar, position vector. Difference of position vector of terminal length, initial point. So the M, it is OB bar minus OC bar. It is N OC bar minus N OA bar. It is M OB bar minus M OC bar. Okay, Nana, will you agree? Now it is N OC bar plus M OC bar. One side, OC. And here it is M OB bar plus N OA bar. Okay, na? I am sending to this side. Taking this side. Here it is M plus N in one bracket, OC bar is common. Here it is M B bar because OB bar is a B bar. And N A bar. OA bar is a bar. Now what is OC bar? OC bar is M B bar plus N A bar by M plus N. Okay, Nana? It is a first case. That means internally the ratio, the C divides AB, line segment AB internally. It is inside AB. Okay, that is case 1. Now, simply we will change it is externally. Same, it is externally. And it is case 2. Yes, it is case 2. Next thing. The same, everything is same. But diagram and everything is changed. Okay, na? Here it is minus. Internally is plus. Externally means it is minus. Same statement. If C divides the line segment joining A and B in the ratio M is to N externally with the position vector A bar is A bar, Y bar is B bar, then the position vector of point C is nothing but OC bar is equal to MB bar minus NA bar by M minus N. Okay, now same thing. Here also I want to click. Say here a proof or solution. Let O be the origin. There are points AB. OA bar is A bar, OB bar is B bar. Now AB is externally divided by the point C. Now it's okay now. C is in the previous property. It is inside AB, internal to AB. Now it is external to AB. That is why case 2. Okay, now? Now here also it is A bar and it is B bar. It is a OC bar. Here also you see that this is M and it is N. Here also the same thing. AC is to CB. Okay, now? AC is to, here it is BC only. Here it is BC only. Is equal to M is to N. AC, BC, one side. That is AC by BC is equal to M by N. Okay, now? That is NAC is equal to M BC. n AC bar, I am taking a vector. If any line can be changed as a vector simply by giving a direction. It is n of, we know that OC bar minus OA bar. AC bar is a free vector. Here also m of OC bar minus OB bar. It is n OC bar minus A bar. Simply I am applying here only. And it is m of OC bar minus B bar. Now it is n OC bar minus n A bar. It is m OC bar minus m B bar. Okay, Nana? Okay, now I am sending n B bar to that side. Okay, now m B bar to that side and n OC bar to this side. Simply you assume n B bar here is m. Yeah. M B bar to that side minus n A bar is there. M B bar to that side and minus n A bar is as it is. And this one to this side. Here it is n OC bar minus n OC bar. Don't confuse. You see, it is m B bar minus n A bar is equal to m minus n OC bar. Okay, now m B bar minus n A bar, m minus n OC bar. Now you take, you see, OC bar is equal to, it is m B bar minus n A bar by m minus n. Very clear. Okay, now diagram is differs in the two cases, case 1 and case 2. Okay, now steps also are different. If the question is asked to find the section rule, to prove the section rule, or to find the position vector of point C divides line segment A in the ratio of to n, means you have to prove that in the case 1 and case 2. Internal and external. Internal is a plus, external is a minus. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now after that one it is over. Now we will go to the next class. We will go to solve the exercise 10.2. Okay, now? Yeah.